concrete trucks are on their way. Let me quickly catch you up with what's going on over here. We poured the footing last week. It's all set up. We got 4 rebar in that footing. We set up the foundation walls. Those are ready to be poured right now. Inspection was done last week. That's going to be your basement entrance right there. This is a crawl space addition across the back of the house. These are going to be steps off the kitchen to go into the backyard. And everything you see on that side over there is garage addition. The idea is to extend this first floor and build over the top of the whole thing with the second floor. Again, that's your basement entrance going downstairs. That's going to tie into this backyard. If you turn around this way, we're going to have patio over here. These basement steps are going to tie in. PVC fence all around. This massive tree is going to come down. Unfortunately, it's got to go. It's in our way. And this is all going to get cleaned up. Even that side over there, you're going to have fresh PVC fence, sod, sprinklers, flower beds, and paver walkways all around. All of the lights. Call me crazy, but every time I pour, I save the slip. It's got the lot number, the date, what kind of concrete we used, and these tend to fade a little bit, so I'll make a photocopy too, and no one can ever tell me anything different than what I got right here on this piece of paper. As you can see, we're in our neighbor's driveway right now. We got kind of lucky in this situation. A good Instagram friend of mine bought the house next door. Somehow I missed it, and he'll be building a new house in a couple of weeks. But in the meantime, we're able to use his driveway and get the concrete truck right up to the foundation forms and pour effectively without getting a pump, which saved us about $1,000. Building versus flipping. It always gets me a little bit annoyed when people hit me up and they're like, oh, hey, Shahzad, how's flipping going? Might not be the right thing to say, but this is not flipping, and flipping carries a very negative connotation in my mind. The idea to me of a flipper is someone who gets in, puts lipstick on a pig, and kind of gets something back out there to turn a quick profit. And there are exceptions to that rule, but for all the flips that I've seen over these last several years, very few were thoughtfully done, and most of them were high-end flips where anything less just wouldn't qualify as acceptable. So if I were to flip homes the way I build homes, I'd be spending way too much money. It's very, very competitive right now, and it has been for the last several years, so I focused on adding value through construction. And that's why I say I build homes, and a lot of other people flip homes. I've done flips. Some of them we made some decent money on, and other ones we've made okay. You know, thank God I've never lost money on a build, but they're tight. And especially now with people that are sitting on a little bit of cash and they want to make a move, they're going to grab a house at an auction or in a short sale because they have time to sit and wait, and they're going to do a quick flip reno. And I just when I do a flip, the plumbing, the electric, we address everything. We cut everything down to the main. We build it back up again. I'm going to do a new roof. I'm going to do new insulation because that insulation just didn't qualify back then. I mean, you could be sitting in your living room on a brand new flip and feel a draft when it's snowing outside. How are you going to feel when everything is brand new and you're sitting in your house after you just moved in? This is your first winter and you have this constant breeze on your face coming from outside while there's a blizzard going on. So I think about that when I do a house, when I build a house, whether it's a reno or it's a new construction or a reconstruction like the one we're standing in front of right now. To me, what that experience is going to be like after somebody moves into the house, that's crucial for me. I know that they're going to be there 5, 10, 20 years, forever maybe. Their kids might be living in that house down the road, and I don't want somebody to open up those walls and say, man, whoever that guy was, he wasn't a good guy. And so that's kind of the philosophy. All right, but you're coming today, right? All right, because I want to lay everything out with you. I got some of the preliminary stuff here that we need, and I just want to walk through the place with you one time in person. That should be fine, but then I got to run out east, so let's do it like, yeah, it can't be much later than that. I got to be all the way in Bayshore. Very good. All right, man, I'll see you. Just call me when you're leaving over there, like 15-20 minutes before. I'll do it right now. Okay. All right, bye. This is why I'm bugging out right now. This is kind of tight, the kitchen and the family room. I planned on putting my sink base here, centering the window, dishwasher on this side, cabinet, stove on that side. I really don't like those island stoves. For people that really cook, they want something that's venting out directly. But I got this column, this triple post here, and this beam you can see right there on top. That's a freaking problem. Now, my window can't start until after this post, so my whole layout doesn't work, and I have to come up with a new one right now. Happy Sunday, everyone. This is one of the favorite parts of my job, getting to be the realtor on the weekend. Today we're at one of my builds, and we're going to do something pretty cool, something that I've been doing a lot lately, and that is to leverage a recently completed build to sell the next couple coming up. So we're at my East Meadow build right now. It's 99% done. I got a call earlier in the week from this broker, and she's got a client who's selling in Floral Park and wants something in Hicksville that's new or completely renovated, and the price point that they're looking in works for the builds that we're working on. And so we're starting at the East Meadow build, which is going to show them exactly what they're going to get for their money. All the fixtures, all the finishes, all the quote-unquote upgrades that you get are available here. Sod, sprinklers, PVC fence, masonry, all that stuff is considered extras by a lot of builders. So when I tell you you're going to get a complete package, 100% complete backyard, you know, everything inside, cabinets, countertops, tile, the wood floors, what you see is what you get. Exactly what's in this build is what's going to be in the next two coming up. So I'm hoping this is going to be a productive meeting and we can make a deal from here early on in one of these builds.